In this video, I want to share a detailed review of Base44. I'll focus on the overall experience, the features Base44 offers, how practical those features are, what works well, and whether the platform is worth your time and money. If you want to try it on your own, you can use the link in description and explore the free plan. If you want to go for the paid plans, you can use the code TAAFT to get a discount. Now let's start with our review. Base44 is an AI-powered web app and website builder, and that becomes very obvious as soon as you enter the platform. The interface is clean, minimal, and well-structured, which makes it approachable for beginners while still feeling powerful enough for advanced users. The first thing you notice is the prompt-based workflow. Everything starts with a description of what you want to build, and Base44 uses that input to generate layouts, components, logic, and design. This makes the platform feel more like a conversation with an assistant rather than a traditional drag-and-drop builder. One of the biggest strengths of Base44 is how fast it converts ideas into something usable. Within minutes, you can go from a plain text description to a functional app layout with real sections, data handling, and visual elements. What makes this experience even better is that Base44 shows you what the AI is doing in real time. You can see how it breaks down your idea into features, components, and design decisions, which adds a lot of transparency and builds confidence in the platform. For users who don't have a clear idea in mind, Base44 offers templates and inspiration categories. These include areas like finance, CRM, operations, analytics, home management, and more. These are not just generic templates, but actual structured ideas that can be expanded into full apps. You also have the option to upload reference websites or files, which is extremely helpful if you want Base44 to follow a specific layout or style. There is even a voice input option. Design quality is another area where Base44 performs well. Most apps generated by the platform look clean, modern, and visually balanced. The color schemes, spacing, typography, and overall layout feel polished without requiring manual adjustments. That said, the final result heavily depends on how detailed your prompt is. If your prompt lacks clarity, the AI will still build something, but it may not fully match your expectations. This is not necessarily a downside, but it does mean that Base44 rewards users who are specific and thoughtful with their prompts. The visual edit feature adds an important layer of control. Instead of being locked into the AI-generated output, you can select elements directly on the screen and modify text, colors, and certain design properties. This is especially useful for small refinements and quick visual changes. However, this feature is best seen as a fine-tuning tool rather than a full design editor. If you are looking for deep, pixel-perfect customization, you may find this somewhat limited, but for most use cases, it works well. Another standout feature is the Discuss option. This allows you to talk to the AI about your app, ask for opinions, suggest improvements, or request new features in a conversational way. This is particularly helpful when you are unsure about what to add next or want feedback on your idea. However, it's important to note that these discussions consume credits, so you need to use this feature strategically. When you move into the dashboard section, Base44 starts to feel like a serious app-building platform rather than just an AI experiment. The dashboard includes an overview of your app, where you can manage the app name, description, and visibility. You can choose whether your app is public or private, which is useful depending on whether you're building something for internal use or for public access. There are also options to share your app via a link or invite specific users, making collaboration easy. The Users section allows you to manage who has access to your app. Once you start inviting others, their details appear here, which is useful for team-based projects. The Data section gives you visibility into all the data being generated and stored within your app. This reinforces the idea that Base44 is not just about design, but also about real functionality and data handling. Analytics is another useful section, especially once your app is published. Here, you can track visits and usage, which helps you understand how people are interacting with your app. While the analytics are not extremely advanced, they're more than sufficient for most small projects, MVPs, and internal tools. The domain section allows you to connect a custom domain to your app, which is essential if you plan to use Base44 for a real product or client project. On the free plan, you are limited to a Base44 subdomain, but custom domains are available once you upgrade. Integrations are another strong area, as Base44 supports many popular third-party tools. However, integrations are locked behind paid plans, which is a reasonable limitation given their value. Security settings allow you to control access and improve the safety of your app, and the code section is a big plus for technical users. Base44 does not hide the code from you. You can view and edit the generated code files directly, which makes the platform appealing to developers who want AI-generated scaffolding without losing control. There are also advanced sections like agents, scheduled tasks, logs, and APIs. These features show that Base44 is designed not just for simple websites, but for more complex, dynamic applications. Even if you don't use these features immediately, it's reassuring to know they're available as your project grows. In terms of preview and testing, Base44 makes it easy to switch between web and mobile views. The mobile preview in particular is well handled, with layouts adapting nicely to smaller screens. You can also test the app as a user, view file usage, monitor activity, and export the entire project as a zip file. GitHub integration is also available, which is great for version control and collaboration, although this also requires a paid plan. Now let's talk about pricing. Base44 offers multiple plans, each designed for different types of users. The free plan is great for experimentation, learning, and building basic apps, but it comes with limitations such as restricted AI models, no integrations, no custom domains, and mandatory platform branding. Paid plans unlock more powerful AI models, integrations, custom domains, branding removal, and advanced features. You can choose between monthly and yearly billing, and while the yearly plan has a higher upfront cost, it offers better value in the long run through discounts. Overall, the pricing feels fair and transparent, especially considering how much functionality Base44 provides. And as I already said at the beginning, you can use the coupon code TAAFT to get a discount on these paid plans. Overall, Base44 does an excellent job of delivering on its promise. It is fast, intuitive, and surprisingly powerful for an AI-driven platform. While it's not perfect and does require clear prompts and some refinement, the value it provides, even on the free plan, is impressive. If you are looking for an AI-based web app builder that balances simplicity with real-world functionality, Base44 is worth considering. If you want to see how I built a finance tracking app using Base44, you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.